How to use CapCut AI text to video. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to create video using CapCut text to video. After you open the CapCut on your PC, so you go to this AI video maker. After you select it like this, so the next thing to do, now you have two options. If you want, you can choose this one, instant AI video, or you can choose this one. So for this video, I'll go in with this one, instant AI video. So click on it. After you select this one, so from this option now you have some option to set. So the first one is style. So you can go ahead now and choose the style of your video. There is a realistic theme, 3D cartoon, photography. So it's a different style. You can go ahead now and choose among this. So after you choose the style of your video, so the next thing to do, you click on this aspect ratio. You select the ratio of your video. If you want your video to be vertical for like YouTube, or if you want, you can use for short, you can choose anyone among this one. So for this one, enter script. So now you give it now your topic of your video. So here it says enter your topic here, and I will turn it into a script. You can also add key point you'd like to double. So the first thing to do here, you just go ahead now and add in your video title. So my video title is how to use, like I'll just give it a history, how US become a wallflower. So after I give it my title of my video, here is it now, how US become a wallflower. So the next thing to do here, you choose your voice. So now you go ahead now and test all the voices. So these are different voices. You go ahead now and choose the one that you want to use. So for this video, I'm going with this one.
Welcome to creating voice.
So if you want to preview, you can click on this.
Welcome to create.
So you can go ahead now
Welcome
and
to
choose.
creating.
Welcome.
Welcome to.
Welcome to.
So I'll go with this one, wiki. After you select the voice, then you choose the video duration. So for this one, you have 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes. So for this video, I'm going with this 1 minute, and then you click on this generate button. So now you allow it to finish generating your video. So now my video has been generated. So now here is now the video. If you want, you can click on this to preview the video.
Have you ever?
So now here is the video. So if you look at this here, now here is the script of the video. But now if you want to change something from the video, let's say you want to like edit like the script, you can just click on it. After you double click on it, so it will allow you now to just go ahead now and rewrite it. So or if you want to change the the footage that used in the video, you can click on this to trim, or you can click on this to replace. So after you click on the replace, it will give you option to choose from the library of CapCut. So you can go ahead now and edit. After you finish editing, if you want, if it is okay for you, you can just click on this export button. Or if you want to like change the voice over, you can click on this to change the voice over as well. So the next thing to do, you can click on this export. Or if you want to like edit in the CapCut option, let's say you want to edit the caption of the video, you can click on this edit more. So now it will take you to the CapCut, and from there it will allow you to add more transition and more editing in the CapCut if you click on this option now. But for me, I will just click on this export button to export the video into my PC. So here you just give it a name. After you give it a name, so here you choose the quality of the video, you choose a recommended video. So you choose the resolution of the video, you choose the format, and you click on this export button. So from there the video will be exported into your PC. And that's it guys on how to use CapCut AI text to video. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.